Why do fire sprinkler systems have false alarms? Imagine a fire alarm going off when there's no fire at all. That's what a false alarm in a sprinkler system looks like. It can happen even when everything is perfectly fine. So, why do these systems sometimes go off by mistake? Let's break it down. Sprinkler systems depend on water pressure to detect when a sprinkler head has opened. If there's a tiny leak or water trickling in the pipes, the pressure can slowly drop. The system's water flow switches might think a fire is starting and send an alarm. Sometimes, the pressure changes happen because of temperature shifts, like cooling at night, which causes air bubbles in the pipes to compress. This can make the pump turn on and trigger a false alarm. Physical damage to sprinkler heads is another common cause. If a head gets bumped, hit, or over-tightened, it can break or weaken the heat-sensitive element inside. When that happens, water may spray out even if there's no fire. Construction work or vandalism can also accidentally damage sprinkler heads, causing unwanted activations. Corrosion is a sneaky culprit too. Over time, rust and other forms of corrosion weaken the pipes or heads. If the components become compromised, they might activate prematurely or without cause. Poor water quality and exposure to harsh environments speed up this process. Aging parts that aren't replaced regularly can malfunction and set off false alarms. Environmental factors can also play a role. Dust, steam, aerosols from sprays, or cigarette smoke can sometimes interfere with the system's sensors or cause confusion. If the system isn't maintained properly, these triggers can lead to false alarms. Electrical issues are another factor. Faulty sensors or control panels can send incorrect signals, making the system think there's a fire when there isn't. These malfunctions need professional attention to fix. Lastly, low water pressure can cause the system to behave unpredictably. Leaks, blockages, or supply problems reduce pressure and can make the system falsely activate. Regular testing and maintenance help prevent these issues. False alarms in sprinkler systems can be frustrating. They waste resources, cause water damage, and can make firefighters less confident in the system. That's why routine inspections, proper maintenance, and quick investigation of alarms are so important. Protecting sprinkler heads from damage, controlling environmental factors, and keeping components in good shape help ensure the system works when it really matters.